Hello and good morning everyone. Today in this video we shall learn about the methods of learning new vocabulary. In fact, vocabulary is very important to communicate effectively. If you are always communicating with the old sorts of words that are lying in your bank, definitely your message or your communication will be less effective. So to communicate effectively, you should add always on a regular basis new words in your vocabulary bank. The first method of improving your vocabulary is learn the roots of the words. In every language, we have the words borrowed from various other languages. Likewise, in Hindi, we have the words from Sanskrit, we have the words from English, we have the words from Arabian language, we have the words from Turkish language and a Portuguese language also. So we can say that a living language borrows the words from various other languages. In the same way, the words are coined, the words are built by making prefix and suffixes. Prefix is the word that adds to the word in the beginning, and suffix is the word that is added in the end of the word. Likewise, there is the word non-fiction. Fiction is the root word and non is the prefix. In the same way, judgment. Judge is the word and ment is the suffix. So this is the combination of the words, and if we have known about the roots of the main word, definitely it will help us to learn, and it will help us to remember the words for a longer time. Second method of learning the vocabulary is diversify your reading. If you are reading only mathematics vocabulary, or if you are reading only the vocabulary from history, definitely your communication will not be effective, because same sorts of word will be repeated repeatedly. So I suggest you to read various sorts of various sections of reading, likewise from philosophy, from geography, from politics, and the various other journals that may provide you good sorts of vocabulary. The third method of improving the vocabulary is make the association of the words. It is very good method. The research shows that if you are associating the words with each other, they are remembered in our mind, they are kept in mind, and they are easily remembered when necessary. How to associate the words? I tell you through an example. There is the word gigantic, which means very large, and we know about the words small, medium, large, very large, and now it is a gigantic. It is indicating about the size of any phenomena. So it is the association of the words, and to associate the words, we shall be able to, by associating the words, we shall be able to remember the words for the longer time, and it will be easier to recall these words when required. Next method of remembering the word is to visualize the words. How to visualize the words? Yes, I tell you. Just say, recall the word apple, watermelon, aeroplane. An image of apple, watermelon, and aeroplane strikes in our mind. I give you the next word, stratovolcano. Stratovolcano is the word that shows about a high pointed mountain where her volcano is erupted. So the image emerges in our mind that there is a volcano which is situated at the top of the mountain. And the fifth method of improving the vocabulary is very simple: use it or lose it. I mean to say, if you have learned a word, if you got a new word, try to use that word instantly. You may write the word in a message, you may use it on social media, you may communicate with your friends by using this word. Whatever the method may be, but you must use that new word so that that word may be permanently reside in your mind, and when needed you may recall it. I repeat all the 5 methods that I suggested you. The first one was learn the roots of the word. Second was diversify your reading. Third one was making the association of the words. Fourth one was visualize new words. The fifth one was use it or lose it. So if you follow all these 5 methods, definitely you shall have a very good command over the vocabulary and you shall be able to communicate very nicely. Your spoken English will improve day by day, step by step, if you have good sorts of a vocabulary. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.